What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver, we caught this dude, and off screen I grinded our Pokemon up to level 80 just to be safe. This is one level below the red CS. So yeah, let's talk to this man. And we got the rainbow wing. With the rainbow wing, we can do a special thing, guys. That is being, you'll see what I mean. And let's quickly go to the Pokemon League. Okay, let's go to Victory Road. Fly like a helicopter, just so. And let's Darkla fly. Bring me to Ecruteak City. Let's see if I had some repels. Let's see. Okay, I have 28 of them. And off screen I bought so many Pokeballs, guys. Just to be too safe to catch this legendary Pokemon being. Oh! And yeah, let's quickly go. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we are at the Belgium Trail. Look at this place. So nice. Oh! This is the place where we can. Yes, we can rematch Morty, guys. So, I came the correct day. Also, I haven't even uploaded the episode where I caught Mewtwo, but I'm gonna upload it tomorrow. So, yeah, we got the rainbow wing. Let's go through this place, guys. Okay. It is looking like the Bellsprout Tower. I done this puzzle in Heart Gold, but I haven't captured my Ho-Ho in Heart Gold yet. I'll catch it eventually. Okay. Oh, there is. Okay, let's me save the game, guys. Stupid. I hate this. Okay, I saved the game. Okay, let me go quickly up. Let's go up. I think this is the correct way. Yes, it is the correct way. Let's quickly go through this place. I'm gonna save the game, guys. Okay, I saved the game. And should I go this way or this way? Oh, we can go anyway, and we'll get to the place. Okay. Oh, crap. I think I messed this up. Okay, cool. We got the rare candy. I think I messed this up very hard. Or maybe not. I haven't been in this place yet. We got the PP up. Okay, I saved the game. And let's quickly go through this place. Okay. Where should I go? I think I messed this puzzle up, guys. I think I messed this up. Okay, there is a way here. Okay. Is this the way? No. This is the way. But where should I go? Is there a way? No, there's not a way here or there. I'll show you guys when I reach the top of this floor because this is messing up. Okay, I think this is the correct way. Let me save the game. Okay, guys, I think I found the correct way. And yeah. Okay, we are almost there. No, I'm not gonna do this. Okay, I'll see you guys when I save the game. Okay guys, I saved the game and I think this is the correct way. Let's go up and down, and I think I came the full circle. Oh, okay. Okay, I think we might wanna go through one of these portals. I just saved for safety measures. And okay, I think this is the way. Okay, let's go. No, this is the wrong way. Okay, I'm messing this up. Okay. No, this is the wrong way again. What the real? Yeah, okay, I found out. Okay. Okay, shit. Hey, shit. I am shitty player. Pokemon Showdown shit. Okay. What? This is not the way? I'll see you guys when I reach home. Okay guys, I messed this up very hard. We found a HP up. Okay, let's go upwards and downwards. Okay, that seems the correct way. Purple Rod is helping me. I mean, I'm watching his videos and he's helping me. He helped me by C. Okay, let's put light at front. And I'll show you guys when I save the game. Okay guys, I saved the game. Let's battle. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's go for Thunder Wave. And we went for Thunder Wave and Ho-Ho went for Sacred Sword. Sacred Fire. What? It got a crit? Shit. And I done absolutely no damage. Okay, it's going to be a pain in the ass to catch this thing. Please hurt in your confusion. Please hurt in yourself. Okay. Please hit yourself. Okay. The quick claw. I think that is useless. No! Do not get the Omni Boost. Okay, let's send out Saka and I think Mega Horn will not kill you. Okay, it lived I think on 1 HP. God must be crazy. Should have thrown my... Okay, you are not like Lugia who I got in the first ball and that episode was corrupted as hell. That's why I grinded, man, because you can't survive some hits from this thing. I might use our one and only Master Ball if all comes down. No, I have a status and I think it's at 1 HP. Almost it. I'll see you guys when I catch this thing. Okay guys, I finally caught this Ho-Ho. And Ho-Ho, since you gave me this much of trouble, I'm gonna name you... Azula, the evil character from Avatar, the last airbender. And let me quickly go to the Pokemon League. Oh god. Okay. Let's quickly bring a Pokemon back. Deposit your Pokemon. Bye bye. Crobat. And hi, Azula. And let's look at our Azula, guys. Azula is holding Sacred Ash. I knew it for a fact, yes. And we have Sacred Fire, okay. Punishment, Ancient Power, and Safeguard. Let's teach it some moves. From the bag, from the not Rose Sense, from the TM's department. Okay, Roost. We haven't used that in a while. Yes. Instead of Ancient Power, we are in Physical Attacker. I think we are in Physical Attacker. So, yeah. And we will teach it HMO to fly. Instead of Punishment. And I will teach it one more move. I am saving up on U-turn. I think it can learn U-turn. No. So, should have taught it to some other Pokemon. Okay, let's see. Shockwave, Dragon Pulse, Embargo, Poison. Okay, yeah. That's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. Peace out.